Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about makeup primers. So today I am bringing two primers for you for it to compare. First is the Blue Heaven primer and the next is the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So let's review these two primers in today's video. Let's get started. So firstly, let's talk about the Blue Heaven primer. This primer just retails for 300 rupees. At discount you can get it for 250 rupees. So this is a very budget friendly primer and it's a 30 grams tube that you get. So the packaging is really good, purple and silver cap. If I see the product, it's a perfect makeup base, Studio Perfection. It's oil free and non-greasy. On the back side, it's written, it's a lightweight formula with silicones and vitamin to soften, soothe and mattify your skin. Makeup glides on and stays fresh for hours. It enhances the adherence to makeups while used under foundation or compact powders. It can also be used as a base for eyeshadows and blush-ons. Okay. And it can be used before 36 months from manufacturing. And talking about the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, this primer retails for 499 rupees, so it's almost double the price of the Blue Heaven primer. So it's Tone Plus Smooth Plus Perfect, a velvety smooth primer that instantly blurs the appearance of pores and fine line for an effortless makeup application. Packed with vitamin E, it hydrates your skin while prepping it. Makeup not only goes on better but also lasts longer. And it also has the directions to use. So guys, the only difference between these two primers is this Nykaa primer is a paraben free primer. Blue Heaven does not have anything as such written on its packaging that it's paraben free or anything. So that's the only difference. But the cost wise, if you see, this is double the cost than this primer. So now let's apply both these primers. I'm applying Nykaa primer on this side and Blue Heaven primer on this side of my face. So both these primers are silicone based primers, just to mention. So this is how the consistency of this primer is. While applying the primer, I can already feel that my skin has become very smooth on this side. It's given a really good base for the makeup. Now I'm going to apply this Blue Heaven primer on this side. Look wise, both the primers have similar consistency, colorless and silicone based primers. So I'm applying this primer on this side. I have applied the primer on both the sides. I am really shocked. The feeling on this side of my face is I'm feeling more better. The skin is more better on this side than this side. And I'm touching my skin. This side is, I'm feeling more soft and more smooth. Now I'm applying a translucent powder on both the sides, just to see how the powder appearance is on these primers. Product has applied very nicely and smoothly on both the sides, but just my opinion, I feel that the Blue Heaven side is giving me a more softer and subtle look when I touch the skin than this side. It's a little bit of dry feeling on this side, on the Nykaa primer side, and on Blue Heaven side it's a more smooth feeling, smooth skin feeling. So that's about it. And also budget wise, the Blue Heaven primer is really affordable. and less in price, but then it's not paraben free. If you are looking for paraben free product, then Nykaa primer is the best primer to go for it. This is also a reasonable rate. It retails for $4.99, so that's also not much for a primer to pay for. So you are getting a branded product from Nykaa at $4.99. So this was my review about these two primers. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon if you want to receive the updates of my new videos. Thanks guys. Bye bye.